Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. I'm Bob, and today I'm going to show you how to change a chop saw blade. But first, subscribe, like, and share our videos. Also hit the bell so you can get new content every time we upload. Let's get started. Alright, so I have a chop saw here. This is a metal chop saw by Evolution. Most important thing when you're going to change a blade is to remove the power. Never have the unit plugged in while you're changing a blade. It's just not safe. Never know. Your hands are on the blade. Something could happen. So I have a new blade here that we opened up already because it's sealed. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unclip each machine typically has a lockdown to keep it in the closed position, and I'm going to release the blade to go up. This particular saw has its own Allen key attached to it. Most machines today always have them, so that just makes it simpler to change. This machine also, the key fits the door here. We just flip that up. And right on the inside here, so I'll spin this around to show you, there's a little button you push down. And that button, if you can't see it there, it's right there. Okay, that button you push to lock the blade. And you can see it's locked. I'm going to take my finger off of it, and now you can see I can turn it. I push the button down, it locks it. Okay? Put the tool in, counterclockwise. Take it out. There's a washer. There's your screw. Pull that retaining washer off. Let it slide up. And then now what you're going to have to do is pull the guard up and then slide the blade out. Pull that blade out. I'll get my new blade. And make sure you're putting the correct size in when you're doing this. This is a 14-inch blade. Also, you'll see on the blade here, it tells you the blade rotation. That's the rotation or the direction that the teeth should flow in. And on each machine, so this is clockwise, so I'm sorry, counterclockwise, and this machine runs counterclockwise, so the blade the arrow should be going in that direction to install the blade properly. If you put it in backwards, then you're going to have a situation where the blade will not cut your material. And let the guard down, push it in there. Some blades come with a spacer. This blade fits the armature just fine, but you can get some blades that'll have a different armature hole that'll be larger, and you have to use a spacer. In this situation, we don't have to. Put the blade retainer washer back on. Put the screw back into this locking washer. And hand tighten. Push that button again. Snug it up. Give it a tug. Tighten it. That's it. Give it a spin with your hand. Make sure it flows fine. Close the shield. Put your tool back so you can find it next time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.